When you get your nickname at Jamaica, that is your nickname forever and ever and ever and ever. And it's not like it's some panel that comes together to decide your nickname and say, well, this boy is going to be very successful in life, let's call him so and so. It don't happen like that. It's normally in 6th grade.
Hey boy, your head so big. Yo, Pinky, come look at this big boy head. What we call him head boy?
I saw Jamaican man stay. If you're white, them call you Pinky, Chalky, Casper, Ghost, you name it, them call you that. If you're black like tar, them call you all cool, blacker, midnight, whatever associated with the color black. If you're skinny, them call you skinny. If you're tall, them call you stretch. If you have a big head, them call you head boy, big head. If you have big fingers, me know a youth at Jamaica and a Georges, and them probably watch me right now, them used to call him fingers. His fingers used to stay like so. Me not tell no lie, them just call him fingers. And that, them a go bury you by. Here lies Jonathan Smith, formerly known as Big Head. Here lies Jonathan Smith, formerly known as Midnight. Here lies Jonathan Smith, formerly known as Casper. I saw them bury you, you know. And if you have a fucked up nickname at Jamaica,
Hey boy, look how your foot them dirty. Me call you dirty.
you might as well move to another place and change it. My name Jonathan Smith, them call me cool guy. Jonathan Smith, them call me cool. My name Jonathan Smith, them call me cool guy. Maybe just then, you might escape with a cool obituary. Here lies Jonathan Smith, formerly known as Cool Guy. He has left 10 kids, 10 grandkids, 15 great grandkids, until when your bad mind them friend come check in at the country. Anybody know Jonathan Smith? Nah, I don't know no Jonathan Smith. No man, them call him Dirty Foot, you know. Dirty Foot? I wonder if a cool guy might talk about. Fuck no, you don't name Cool Guy, you name Dirty Foot. I have a message for them 6th graders out there. Be very careful what you call your friend them. What you call them today, that them are gonna get buried by. If you know anybody with a crazy nickname, please leave it in the comment section below. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, the whole 9 yards. Anyways, I'm out.
Mad White is a madman to rotted. Yo, this at the funeral, bring flowers and orchids. Damn that video make you laugh till exhausted. Head no good, me sorry brother, but you lost it. Straight up the straight jacket to fit flossing. I tell you, Mad White in a Bellevue. If you're mad like him, I can't help you. Subscribe on YouTube and see if it no tempt you.